Hi, boys and girls. Make sure you watch the story of Encyclopedia of Places. If you haven't done so, make sure you scan that code and listen to the story. After you listen to the story, you're going to pick your favorite place. My favorite place was the beach. Go ahead and take a picture of your favorite place in the story, and then make sure you put the book back. We only have one copy of the book, and we have to share with the whole class. So you're going to just take a picture and leave the book for your friends. Now I took a picture of the beach. I want you to take a picture of a different place because I don't want anyone copying my writing. So make sure you don't have a picture of the beach. You need this paper, a pencil, crayons, and your fix-it-up checklist. Go ahead, pause the video, and get your materials. Welcome back. The first part says topic sentence. You might be wondering, what is a topic sentence? A topic sentence tells your reader what you're writing about. And I did a sentence stem for you. It says, I know a lot about blank. And Miss Jensen knows a lot about beaches because that's what I read about. Beaches. I know a lot about beaches. Now I'm going to get into my fact. You might be wondering, what was a fact again? A fact is something that can be proven. A fact is something that's true. For example, pizza is a kind of food. That's true, and it can be proven. California is a state. That's true. Mount St. Helens is a volcano. That's true. So a fact is something that can be proven, and it's true. Fact 1. They can, I added the word provide. Ooh, that's a fancy word, and a magic E-word. Beaches can provide, well, it actually says they can provide. We're talking about beaches. Beaches can provide a home, another magic E-word. Wow, high five for me. Beaches can provide a home for many animals. Animals. They can provide a home for many animals. Let's get on to my next fact. Make sure it's true. They have, what do beaches have? I know. Shh. I hear an SH. Shells and sand. Sand. They have shells and sand. Let's get to my next fact. Make sure this is true. It says they are, beaches are, I saw lots of plants in that book. They are home to many plants too. They are home to many plants too. Now let's get to our conclusion. Our conclusion ends our writing, and I helped you with a sentence stem. It says, that is what I know about blank. So, that is what I know about the beach. So your writing is going to look much different than mine because you're not going to be writing about the beach. You might be writing about the tundra or deserts, whatever landform you chose to write about. So the next step, now that I'm done, is to do my fix-it-up checklist. Here we go. Do I have an uppercase? Yep. Punctuation? That was done for me this time. Stretchy snake? Oh yeah. Handwriting is neat? Yep, and it's on the line. It's not too big, not too small. Finger spaces? Yep. Does it make sense? Yep, I reread it several times. It definitely makes sense. And I can add my picture. The only thing I'm missing is my picture that I can add on the back. And I can add lots of colors and details of the beach. Now it's your turn to do your writing. Make sure you put it on Seesaw. I can't wait to learn about your place that you chose. Have fun.